everyone, today we are learning how a liquid turns into a solid by the science of baking. So first here are my ingredients. 1 cup of flour, half a cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, a half tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of Hershey's Cocoa, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, melted butter, 1 egg, and half a cup of milk. So first, we add the melted butter. Then we add the egg. Pour the vanilla extract and start mixing. Add the milk. And start mixing again. Once it is properly mixed, take the sugar and mix it again. Boy, this is a lot of mixes. And now, just add everything. And mix it all together. Now our mixture is ready. Just look at how beautiful this looks. Now we are going to transfer it to the donut pan. But first, we need to grease the donut pan with the remains of the melted butter. Now that I poured the mixture, it's time to put it in the oven. The oven temperature should be 350 Fahrenheit. I am going to be baking this for 13 minutes. Now the batter has turned into donuts. This is how the liquid batter can turn into a solid donut. Thank you, and please try this recipe.